Today we have cruise sails on one of our boats, and what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be looking at four different ways to tame the jib in case, say, a big storm comes. We've got a tropical storm coming in right now. What if a big storm comes and the jib is jammed, or it will not roll up, it will not furl? What are you going to do? How are you going to get that jib in? So I'm going to be showing you four different methods for taming the jib. One is going to be to roll it by hand. The next is going to be to roll it from the clew. The next is going to be to use the spare halyard like a candy cane and truss it up. And the fourth is going to be to drop the jib. And I actually have plenty of people in the class who have never dropped a jib, so this is going to be all new to them. They're going to find out that it doesn't just fall to the deck like the main does, that you actually have to pull it out of that groove and pull that bolt rope through. So that's going to be a learning experience for them, and a little bit of control, a little bit of thinking about what would you be saying on the radio, what are you looking for around you, are you looking for other boats, are you looking for shallow water, what all is going on during this emergency of the wind burst and needing to get rid of that jib. So here it goes. Quick side note, all this past week I have been testing out Stream C's new Everyday Mineral sunscreen. This is the one with the EcoSafe zinc. Not all zincs are EcoSafe, and this one is the one called Shimmer. And let me tell you what, it makes you very shimmery, so it's been very fun to wear this sunscreen. I do read that it needs reapplication. You need to reapply it about every 80 minutes, which is a little bit more than an hour, so think about that. Pretty much every hour start thinking about putting on more sunscreen. So the jib is flogging, right? We got to grab it and roll it up.
It's not that bad.
You're gaining on it. I like this. So if we grab these lines, we just make it harder for them, don't we? Unless we pulled the lines straight upwind like this and negated, like we do sometimes with the main. Almost there. So yeah, I suppose if we put the lines this way, maybe, maybe we would. Three, please. You know those things at the gym where you have the cinder block and then the rope and then you do the twirly bits with your hands and the broomstick? Yeah, this must be this one.
It seems like it would be easier if you...
There she got her center of gravity down low. That was good. Good move. Good move, Christy, getting your center of gravity down low. It doesn't have to be pretty, it's just a bad storm coming.
I'm so glad I did shoulders and core yesterday. Lucky move.
Home stretch. So if it was really broken, now we would just have to grab like an extra dock line, wrap it around it, maybe tie. We could even grab that dock line, wrap it around it a couple times, tie here, there, everywhere. Yeah, I won't make you do all that unless you just want to try it out. Oh.
That's teamwork.
Woo! Walk it forward, baby. But go forward. Yeah, like walk that in forward. There. Yeah. Don't make a balloon out of it. Get it toward the forestay. Yep. Yeah, can you collapse it toward the forestay? There you go. Yeah. Yep. And now do you keep would a third body help? Like another 200 pounds? Do you need another hand? Still making a balloon?
Yeah. I have this halyard
Yep.
up here.
Yep. You ready for it? And you've got a dock line. See, because you don't want to hold this way and make a balloon. You've got to go that way with it.
See him do that, but take it off.
Yep. That's the key, is to get that clew down, isn't it? Yep. Yeah, I'm running it from here rather. So how about that? How about dragging that clew down? There you go. So that gets rid of a little bit of the balloon, right? Right? Yep. Yep. And the other thing is we need to slack the other end of that. Where's the other end? What color is that? Red? Where's the other end of it? Yeah, do it. Let them have the. We're going to give you more spinnaker length. Oh, there you go. Now you're collapsing it good. They're going to give you some. You need 2 more hands. Yeah, get up there. Get up there and give them. They're going to give you some slack on the halyard. Hang on. Yeah, open it. Open it up. The spinnaker halyard. Now they're giving you some slack on the halyard if you need it. You need more line? Just hang on to the end of it. Perfect. So when we say that, so this method, unless we turn the boat to the wind, it's a fail because we can't get rid of the balloon. So that whole idea of wrapping the halyard around it, not unless we turn the boat in circles. Turn the boat in circles. Not gonna do it. Okay. Nope. You ready to let it all go, and we'll roll it up and try the next thing. Don't let go of the halyard. Yeah. No, it's okay. Oh, no, I'm just going to get away from it. Now, see all those twirls? They'll come out. Don't worry. Do you need a hand, or are you going to do it all by yourself? How come we've got so little chain out? We need more line out. Hey, y'all, we're dragging anchor because we don't have enough scope. Ease that off completely because it'll sail us forward. Let a lot. It's an emergency, a lot. Yeah, don't stand on that side of it. Yeah. Oh my gosh, we had barely any scope out. Yeah. What about further up? Anyway, either way. Yeah, that's okay. Just let it go. What's that? She's just she's just kind of tailing. Okay, that's all right. I thought she was helping you. I'm like, yeah, you can't help. No, we're just gonna step back. Step back. Always different lines gonna get you get away from it. That's see back here, we're okay. I'm never inviting these guys sailing again. You see how much stuff goes wrong when I bring them on the boat. Now what are you gonna do? You got a dock line. You got a dock line right there. Now we're gonna see what knots they're gonna use. He says, knots are not my thing. Granny knot.
Well, she said wrap it.
Do something. Wrap it around there and go to the other cleat. Yeah. Yeah, just wrap it around there, go to the other cleat, grab something. Yeah. Tighten it up around the squishy part. That'll hold good. He's like, that's not what I signed up for. I wanted to go for a pretty sail and drink champagne and trail my fingers in the water. Scott's like, man. Yeah. I want to do this garbage. I personally like Scott's idea. Drop it. Just drop it. We're done with it.
Where's the chip halyard?
Drop the sucker.
Drop it. We've got a lot less effort.
Uh-huh. Okay, except for getting it back up.
Yeah, exactly. I think you might eat those.
It's an emergency.
You might eat those words. Oh, gosh. Yeah, it's an emergency. Drop the sucker. Where's the kitchen knife?
I think this is a much better plan.
Just cut her free.
I'm getting the kitchen knife. I mean, isn't it like, you just start the cut and then it'll yeah. I mean, if you're in danger of, something bad happening, let it go. I'm liking this. I mean, we can almost go back into the marina with that.
That's pretty, yeah. Quite pretty.
By the way, I'm not putting her on the dock under sail.
No, we're not. So which was easier, rolling it up or dropping it? So if this was real life, you would take your tool and you would take the shackle off and you run the line under the rail and back to the top because that round donut thing will go flying up. What did I know? Communication. So you got to figure out what's your signal for take it up and what's your signal for take it down. And you've got to feed it up into that groove.
Alright, can you see me?
Can you see me? And you're going to be on your knees.
Alright, here's what we're going to do. This is up, this is down, this is...
Because she's got a power winch, so you've got to keep your fingers clear. He gave you this. He did this. You gotta take it off.
No, down.
Yeah. Well, don't take it all the way off. Just a little. There's gonna be a lot of up and down, so you might as well not put it in the self-tailer. Until he gets the hang of it, there's gonna be a lot of up and down.
I'll feel it for you.
The trick is you have to get the front edge of the sail almost forward of the groove in order for it to feed up into it. And it's difficult. And if you want to trade off. He got the hang of it quicker than the other crew.
I think we're having a lot more wind than we're Chrissy, you know what?
Wait till the kids are below.
This might be better. We can't see her on second. He's using his body to
Yeah. We can't see you.
that relay helps.
Yeah. Took his eye off of it for 1 second.
Not enough 12 inches. Come back up.
Yeah, I'm getting behind the shrouds where I don't get whacked. It's the wind. Okay, a little more? A little more? Yep, a little more. Yeah. Now lock that clutch. Yep. Clear the winch and roll it up. And then we'll roll it up and then we'll do the cleaty bit. That way you don't have to fight it. Watch out, the boat's turning. We're all going to get knocked off the boat.
We're in a bath too, right?
Yeah, right. Swim? I thought we were supposed to check for jellyfish before we swim an anchor.
It's been recently lubed up. That wasn't too bad.
And that you actually don't even have to coil because we're going to run it back up to the...
I just thought of that. How am I going to get this back through?
Yeah, right. Why am I doing this? All right, Chrissy, are you rolling this sail up?
I'm just trying to get these
Oh,
away.
yeah?
So the furler.
You got to put the furler on the winch. And fill up the winch. You can press the button if you want.
No reason to.
Yeah.
I know, but I'm so used to that.
Yeah, there's no strain on it, so it's not... I know Chris is over there going, what on earth is she making them do? Why is she being so mean to them this weekend?
That's good practice.
Alright, so what you saw was several different ways to tame that jib when it gets out of control. We tried rolling it by hand. We tried rolling it from the clew forward. We tried trussing it up with a spare halyard, and we even did dropping. So thanks for watching. Hope you found that useful. Give it a try on your boat. See what all is involved. Until you actually put your hands on things and experience them, you're not completely sure how it's going to go. So give it a shot. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, which I hope you did, and I hope it inspires you to try the same thing on your boat, please do subscribe, click like, and put any comments below if you saw something that we could have done better, that we could have done more efficiently, or if you have a different method that would be an even better way to control the jib. Thanks for watching. Bye.